Hey guys, Kevin Blind Lake Mechanic here, working with some more tree corpses today. I know I told y'all I wasn't very good with tree corpses, but I'm actually fairly decent. I hope it's in frame. I got this, it's probably too low, but I got this homemade wooden shelf friend Austin made. Don't have a lot of counter space here in my place, so I'm going to put the microwave on top of it, but of course this is a toaster oven, so I need a little bit of a gap to keep the oven or the microwave up off of it. I'm gonna take a couple of measurements. I'll let y'all hear my talking tape measure here. So let's see how far from the roof we are. 29 inches, so I'm gonna call that 20 or 29 5/8. I'm gonna call that 29, just to keep me away from the ceiling. Get a measurement on the microwave here. It is 10, 15, 16 inches. I'm gonna call that 11. So 11 minus 29 is 18. We got plenty of room. So let me step back over here, make sure I'm in frame. So we got plenty of room. The next video is probably going to be me cutting some tree carcasses to modify this. So come along with me, and peace.